In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a moving average in TradingView. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out, adding a moving average to your charts can be an essential tool for analyzing market trends and making informed decisions. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to the TradingView website. Once you're there, log into your account. This ensures that any changes you make, such as adding indicators or saving charts, are conveniently saved for future reference. Once you're logged in, look for the Indicator button on the interface. It's usually found at the top of the chart area. Now, in the search bar that pops up, type in MA to locate the moving average indicator quickly. TradingView offers a wide variety of indicators, but in this case, we're looking for the basic moving average. After locating it in the list, go ahead and click it 3 times. This might seem redundant at first, but it allows you to view and compare different moving averages simultaneously, which can be incredibly useful for identifying varying market conditions. Once you have added the moving averages, you'll see them appear on your chart. Let's customize these a bit to suit your analysis needs. Start with the first moving average by clicking on the settings icon next to it. A settings box will pop up, and you'll want to adjust the length to 20. The length signifies the number of periods that the moving average will cover, and a length of 20 is often used by traders to capture short-term trends. After setting the length, you'll want to make changes in the Style section. Here, you can select a color that stands out on your chart. Picking distinct colors for each moving average is key to easily distinguishing them. Next, we move on to the second moving average. Follow the same process by clicking on it, then heading to its settings. Let's adjust the length of this moving average to 50. This will give you a better look at medium-term trends, which, combined with your short-term moving average, can provide a more comprehensive picture of market momentum. Again, select a different color in the Style tab for this moving average. Picking a contrasting color can help you quickly differentiate between your short-term and medium-term moving averages as you monitor the chart. Lastly, let's tackle the third moving average. Click on its settings and adjust the length to 200. This longer time frame is typically used to assess long-term market trends. Once you've set this length, go ahead and choose a final color in the Style section, ensuring it stands out from the other 2 moving averages. And there you have it. You have successfully added and customized 3 moving averages to your TradingView chart, each reflecting different market trends. This setup can significantly enhance your trading strategy by providing a clear visual representation of short, medium, and long-term market movements. Thanks for watching and happy trading.